Imagine holding a device in one hand that is smaller than a paperback book, yet possesses more raw computational power than the laptop you are currently using, the gaming console under your TV, and the desktop computer you used 5 years ago, combined. That is no longer a futuristic concept. It is the exact, terrifying reality of the new Apple iPad mini M5. For the longest time, the iPad mini occupied a very specific, quiet corner of the tech world. It was a niche device. The digital notepad. The e-reader for people who wanted a slightly bigger screen than their phone, but didn't want to carry around a full-size tablet. It was loved by pilots, medical professionals, and casual readers, but it was never considered a serious computing powerhouse. It was a convenience item. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But Apple just made a move that completely shatters that identity. By dropping the M5 desktop-class silicon into an 8-inch chassis, they didn't just upgrade a tablet. They created the most dangerously portable, incredibly versatile powerhouse on the planet. They built a device that defies physics and fundamentally threatens the very definition of what a computer needs to look like. If you are looking to upgrade your tech setup this year, or if you are hunting for that one perfect device that can handle everything from high-end video editing and complex coding to AAA gaming and localized AI workloads, you need to stop what you are doing. Do not buy a new laptop, do not look at standard tablets, and certainly do not commit to a bulky setup until you listen to what this tiny machine is actually doing. Because by the time we finish exploring this device, you will realize that the technology paradigm has shifted, and holding on to traditional ideas of computing size is going to cost you a fortune in missed productivity. We are going to dissect exactly how this miniature frame handles desktop-class processing. We will look at the massive architectural layout of the M5 chip, how Apple solved the nightmare of cooling a desktop processor inside an 8-inch enclosure without a fan, the hidden display upgrades that fix the biggest complaints of previous generations, and the real-world performance under devastating professional workloads. Most importantly, we will look at how this single device is single-handedly cannibalizing sales of Apple's own MacBook lineup and causing a massive wave of panic across the portable Windows and Android markets. Let us start with the heart of this disruption. The M5 architecture. To understand why this chip inside a mini tablet is a statistical anomaly, you have to look at the sheer scale of the engineering. We are talking about a desktop chip designed to run massive workloads on computers like the Mac Mini and the MacBook Pro, squeezed into a chassis that is just millimeters thick. This is a complete departure from mobile tablet processing. The efficiency matrix of the M5 means that it draws minimal power while delivering single-core and multi-core benchmarks that actively embarrass mid-range desktop PCs. In previous generations, upgrading a tablet meant getting a slightly faster version of a mobile phone chip. It meant your apps opened a fraction of a second quicker and your mobile games looked slightly smoother. But the M5 bypasses mobile constraints entirely. It brings high-bandwidth unified memory and a massive neural engine directly into the palm of your hand. What this means in everyday execution is that the latency between your thought process and the machine's execution has completely evaporated. The interface doesn't just feel fast, it feels predictive. Think about the heaviest, most grueling digital task you can imagine. Maybe it is exporting a multi-layered 4K timeline filled with high bitrate footage, color grading, and complex audio effects. On a traditional thin device, this is where the hardware begins to choke.